Is it recording or something? Ciao, sono Gianmarco, in arte Blynch, e sono un musicista. Sto cercando di ritrovare me stesso dopo un periodo molto molto complesso che ha comportato il mio voler quasi uscire completamente dalla musica, smettere di fare musica per me stesso e per gli altri. È un trauma che è avvenuto perché ho collaborato con le persone sbagliate e ho completamente perso la mia visione, perché ho lasciato che altre persone mi dicessero quello che realmente dovevo fare, quello che realmente era giusto. Cercavo una conferma negli altri che doveva essere una conferma in me stesso. I'm very shy and I'm very insecure about myself, and I'm not afraid to show it, because I think this is the main thing of my music, the main thing that makes me think about art, that makes me create what I can create. It's my pain, maybe. It's the pain of being completely insecure about myself. I wanted to escape the world so much that I get sick from a kind of psychological disorder, which is called derealization. Derealization is, they say it's because of anxiety. It's a kind of anxiety depression thing. So in some years, since 2015, I guess, I live my life like I'm in a dream. Okay. I started working with a producer which had a very different vision from mine. And when an artist starts his own thing into music business, he's not really sure about who he wants to become. And I was one of them. I was just trying to, make my thing and see how it goes. I had my vision, I had my idea. So this producer gave me a lot at the beginning, but he made me completely lose my own vision. I wasn't strong enough to say to someone, okay, maybe we shouldn't work together. Maybe we're not the good people to work together. So I just let someone else take my music, take my stuff, and change it the way it was better for them, but not for me. And this made me completely lose myself at a point. I had a record deal with a pretty good label, which actually left me alone because they wanted me to be someone I actually wasn't. I was acting as an artist. I'm actually not. So the whole thing started going down progressively. My songs weren't mine anymore. Even if I was playing every instrument in it, or almost every instrument in it, even if I was writing the lyrics, even if I was singing, I wasn't in there. So I invested a lot on something I hadn't the courage to say it wasn't mine. And this made me very confused about who I want to be as an artist. I don't think I will be able to build it. I'm a very bad practical person, but we will try, I guess. Ho capito!
finito! Ma perché ce ne stanno così tanti?
Pretender, pretend that I'm well. Don't fall again, please. I wanted to make a kind of music that was hidden, not for everybody. I didn't want to make songs that everybody can relate to. I wanted to make some more hidden song. I wanted to make some, I don't know how to say, intimate songs that just a few person can relate to. I'm not an extrovert artist. I'm just introvert, and I want to make introvert music. Is this a thing? Introvert music? I can do this, like. I still don't understand what I want to become, but I surely understand what I don't want to be. I actually understand what an artist is not. I surely understand what kind of artist I don't want to be. And this is precious, I guess. Well, being a musician in Rome is kind of a beautiful thing. I'm not from Rome, actually. I came from a little town near Caserta that is called Piedimonte Matese. But when you get in Rome or in a big city, surely there's plenty of things you can do to get your music heard. One of them, for example, is a thing called qu'indi, which is a very beautiful format they do here in Rome, in which everyone can sing. They just organize the entire evening. You as an artist can contact them via Instagram, via messages, and they let you play your songs and sing. Other than this, there are a lot of open mics and a lot of pubs that make jam sessions. So you have a lot of places to get your music heard, or to just, see how you go on performing, make practice with people, which is a very, very important thing.
Say hi.
Well, we're gonna see if I can write a song in a day, and we're going through the whole process of it, from the songwriting, from the idea catching and the songwriting, to the recording session and the arrangements, and we are gonna see. I don't know how it's gonna go. It's probably gonna go bad, but now I'm thinking about an old video of a couple, and it's very nostalgic. It's full of beautiful details, and I really want to tell about how beautiful and painful at the same time it is. And I'm looking for the chord. My phone notes are one of the most important things I have with me. Probably if someone steals my phone, it's gonna steal my whole music career. I just want to go right where the feeling is. This is a wonderful chord. It's every chord has a specific image in my head. This one, it's a warm summer evening. I don't know why. Ci siamo persi in un video di agosto, ci siamo persi nel sole di agosto che ci ha congelati e lasciati qua giù. Okay, I have the first verse. Ci siamo persi nel sole di agosto che ci ha congelati e lasciati laggiù. Mani fredde. Ok. Ci siamo persi nel sole di agosto. It gets its shape while I play it. So when I write a thing, I don't write the whole lyrics. I just go where the song wants to go. Lasciati su dal momento più bello ed è andato via lontano da qua. Ci siamo immersi nel mare di giugno che è ancora un po' freddo, ma in fondo lo sai che anche nel posto più freddo del mondo c'è posto per te, c'è posto per quello. We got lost in the August sun and it left us freezed and apart. It left us alone at the best time and it went away, far away from here. We just drowned in the June sea. That is still a bit cold, but I know that even in the coldest place in the world, I would keep you warm if you want to. And I'm writing a chorus which says, I don't know why violets get, I don't know what to say, when flowers became appassiti on the day of the deaths, and there is the sun even during the worst days. And I'm trying to continue. I get so emotional when I write because I always try to. It sounds ridiculous, and it may sound like a very egocentric thing to get emotional about the things you're writing, but I always try to put something of myself into the things I write. So there's something very deep and intimate in it, something that I felt from the deepest part of my being, I guess. So the songwriting process for me, most of the time, especially when I write songs that are so intimate, it's devastating. I work with a rock in my throat. This is how we say it in Italian. Quello che ho perso ad agosto era felicità. I think that the hardest song in the world are the simplest one. You mean you can write a lot of songs with different chords, with a lot of techniques, with a lot of. But the hardest one are the ones that are completely simple, because when a melody is simple, like this one, it means that you give a lot to the lyrics, because you have to compensate the thing. Il senso di casa scompare in città, This is most of the times the most annoying part ever, which is the recording of the acoustic guitar. You have to do it following the time, and I'm not really good at it. Not because I can't, but because I got anxiety when I do. Well, they're not bad. Non è felicità. Okay, I think we should add it as soon as we add the strumming at the same time, because on the rest of it I think it's just too much. I think the guitar is beautiful alone. I wouldn't live without this kind of thing here. It's my drug, it's my real drug.
What about music? What about music?
Nah, music is just a hobby. This is my actual thing. Be sure to not waste anything, even a single drop of sauce. It's a waste. Because you made it with love, so you're wasting your own love, dude. And then you mix it. Oh, fanculo, finalmente. He's talking to me. Fuck you, I'm good, man. I'm rehearsing for the first live, first 3 songs live, first open mic that I do in maybe more than a year. I didn't want to play anymore, I didn't want to play live anymore, the anxiety was too strong. It's still strong, I'm actually very anxious right now, but fuck it, I really want to do it, I really need to get back on tracks. So this is gonna be hard, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be wonderful at the end. So let's try it, I don't know. Let's hope it's gonna be a good one. A really good start, second start, a really good second start after the break. I will probably forgot how to play guitar after when I will need to go on the stage. I will completely forget how to play the guitar. I'm pretty sure about it. And I will forget the lyrics. Di te anche se non sei qua. Ho visto un tramonto dai vetri del treno che sembra lo stesso. Ho visto un tramonto dai vetri del treno che sembrava il nostro di qualche anno fa. Ho visto un tramonto dai vetri del treno che sembrava il nostro di qualche anno fa. It's gonna be the first time. It's gonna be the first time in a long time. And it doesn't actually feel like I actually played live before. When you don't do it for a long time, you feel like it's the first time ever you do something like this. And it's terrible, because anxiety is killing me. Like it's the first time I play guitar, like it's the first time I sing in public. But it's not, even if it's not. But I guess it's all part of the process. Or at least I hope so. Che ho perso nel serie, no. Senso di casa, scompare in città. E quello che ho perso in un giorno qualunque per felicità. Ho visto un tramonto dai vetri del treno, la nostra vita anni fa. Che sembra aspettarci da solo in silenzio. Ci parla di noi, anche se non sei qua. Che parla di noi, anche se non sei qua.
The artist before the concept. Stay humble.
No. I really want to go home and lay on the sofa and watch the shittiest movie I found on Amazon.
Okay, now say that in singing.
I really want to go home. I'm shitting myself.
No.
I shit myself. I actually shit myself.
And then breads too, some breads.
Penso proprio di sì.
Primo applauso sulla fiducia per
And now an applause please for
Blynch. Ciao a tutti, sono Blynch e faccio gli auguri a tutti gli artisti e mi raccomando, lavorate sempre con persone che credono realmente in voi fin dall'inizio. È fondamentale. Grazie. senso di casa scompare in città, è quello che ho perso in un giorno qualunque, era la felicità. Grazie, grazie. Applauso per Blynch. Non vedo Simone che sarà sicuramente sotto effetto di nicotina. Eccolo, eccolo, eccolo. Allora. Diamo ufficialmente il via, con qualche minuto di ritardo, alla jam session.
So now, the jam session officially starts.
I don't know, too much adrenaline all together at the same time, and it's been incredible. I couldn't see people under the stage, so I was like looking straight in front of me without anyone, where there was anyone. So I was looking at the wall because I couldn't stand the people watching at me, looking at me. But it was incredible. I didn't feel this feeling since 1 year, more than 1 year. Now I feel it completely, and it's wonderful. I don't even know what to say anymore, but I thought that I was gonna forget the lyrics of the song I wrote yesterday, but I did not! I didn't! Blynch is back, baby. Finally.
I started writing my songs in English at the beginning. And this is not good if you're in Italy. Because Italian market, when it comes to music, is very Italianized, I guess. English music, there is not much space for foreign music in here. So when an artist from Italy wants to start a career singing in English, well, it's really, really hard because label doesn't want to invest on something that can be a waste of money, a waste of time. So they all want you to write in Italian so it can be more sellable, so it can be easy to sell, easy to listen to. One of the things they told me the most was that every time a song comes out, it's not yours anymore. It becomes of the masses. It becomes of the people who listen to it. And I think this is a great lie. A song you write is a part of you, and it becomes a part of you in the process of making it, and it stays a part of you until the end of time. Even if it's out, it's still a part of you. So it's still your song out there. Don't let other people change it for the public. Don't let other people change it for the masses. It's always your song. You have to feel it as yours. Wow. Nice. Ci siamo persi nel sole di agosto che ci ha congelati e lasciati a metà. Ci ha lasciati soli al momento più bello ed è andato via lontano da qua. Chissà come mai. Il senso di casa scompare in città. Quello che ho perso in un giorno qualunque è la felicità. Oh Dio. Now we're gonna do the hard part, the one in which I sing out loud. Ooh. It's the 10th time I did it. We've been here since an hour. Here, I guess. And I'm really proud of myself because I used to take days to record the main vocal because I was never satisfied of the result. And now I do it in an hour, and I'm really happy about it. Maybe one day I will be able to do that as a first take. but it's not today. E quello che ho perso in un giorno qualunque era felicità. That one was very real, but you always have to remember, even if you're recording something you feel for real, you have to remember that you're recording a song, so it also has to sound good. So I'm always in a war against myself when I do this thing. I think that every artist does. When you make art, you fight against yourself. You fight against a message you don't know how to let out in the right way, I guess. And you fight with the feeling that you're not good enough to do it. Ho visto un tramonto dai vetri del treno che sembrava il nostro di un po' di anni fa. Mi sembra aspettarci da soli in silenzio. Mi parla di te anche se non sei qua. C'è un vento che smuove le foglie di notte. Il vento che resta, che viene, che va. It's not how much perfect the track is. It's how much feeling it has in it. It's how much real it seems. So maybe I started looking for something else. I do not look for the perfect vocal, incredible thing like, oh, I don't care anymore about this anymore. I care about how real it is, how true it is to the message of the song. Wow. I love it. Le viole appassiscono il giorno dei morti, il sole si è solo nei giorni più storti, chissà come mai. Ma il senso di casa scompare in città, e quello che ho perso in un giorno qualunque era felicità. Okay, a little out of time at the end, but we can use that. We can use that. Chissà come mai. Okay. Doesn't sound bad. I just need to find a good effect for it, and I want a really clean effect. Spinge la gente e la tira con sé, God. Che spinge la gente e la tira con sé, che in fondo non sa neanche lui dove va, chissà come mai. Chissà come mai. Ok. Oh. Ci siamo persi nel sole di agosto, che ci ha congelati e lasciati a metà, ci ha lasciati soli al momento più bello, ed è andato via lontano da qua. Ci siamo immersi nel mare di giugno, che è ancora un po' freddo, ma so che lo sai, che anche nel posto più freddo del mondo ti terrei al caldo se lo vorrai, chissà come mai. I love this thing. Le viole appassiscono il giorno dei morti, il sole c'è solo nei giorni più storti, come mai il senso di casa scompare in città, è quello che ho perso in un giorno qualunque, la felicità. Sembrava il nostro di un po' di anni fa, mi sembra aspettarci da solo in silenzio, parla di te anche senza il qua, c'è un vento che smuove le foglie di noce, un vento che resta, che viene e che va, spinge la gente, la tira con sé, in fondo non sa neanche lui dove va. Chissà come mai viole appassiscono il giorno di morte, il sole c'è solo nei giorni più storti, non so come mai, ma il senso di casa scompare in città, quello che ho perso in un giorno d'estate.
The chorus is.
Felicità. Come il giorno dei morti, il sole c'è solo nei giorni più storti, chissà come mai, ma il senso di casa scompare in città, è quello che ho perso in un giorno qualunque, è la felicità.
The thing is in the recording. I am very happy with it. I recorded it. It was just meant to be a memo. I had this idea late at night, and I had to record it. I recorded the two chorus that goes. Then I recorded the other two a little higher, like this. And then, I don't remember if those were higher or different. Oh, yeah, descendant ones. And the falsetto. And then, oh, those are the special ones. The ones that I made with the director of this documentary, which were these ones. And together, they sound like this in solo. Look at how I love doing choruses, choirs, I don't know. Wow. I love this shit. Listen to that. Wow. listen to the space bar.
I think that all artists are sensitive person. There can be art if there's not feeling, if there's not a kind of special relationship with the things that happen in the common world. An artist is someone that isn't able to express what he's feeling with words, with talking, and it's a kind of person that kind of looks for something else to express itself, looks for a new language to express its own things, its own thoughts. So of course, I don't think that artists can't be sensitive person. You must be sensitive to make art. At least you must be sensitive to make a kind of art that reaches out to the people. I was one. I'm very sensitive. Maybe I'm too sensitive. Well, we came here into Parco degli Acquedotti, and I'm gonna sing probably the song that I love the most from the ones I'm writing now that the drama is over. And this is a song I wrote when the world, the entire universe was too heavy on me, and I had to choose from probably writing this song or killing myself completely, or completely denying myself. So I choose to write this song. It's called The Colpa Mia. Rimanere fedeli a se stessi è un po' uno sport estremo. Mi dici che le cose andranno meglio, sai che non ci credo. Ma sai, mi piace quando me lo dici, ad essere sincero. È come una botta di calore estivo in mezzo a tutto il cielo. Vorrei parlarti eppure le parole stanno ferme in testa. E capirai se anche per questa volta non vengo alla tua festa. Ma voglio un posto dove stare, un luogo, una terra promessa. Di quelle che puoi stare di una vita, resta lì e ti aspetta. Che se potessi scomparire adesso sarebbe perfetto. Perché vorrei avere le ali solo per andare via, lasciare a terra il mondo che conosco e questa nostalgia. Prendere tutto sto dolore addosso, ne farei poesia. Se l'universo parla un'altra lingua non è colpa mia. Se l'universo parla un'altra lingua non è colpa mia. Sapere sempre cosa dire e dirlo è roba da normali. E stringo troppi pugni chiusi in tasca, i calli sulle mani. Fisso il soffitto, mi ci perdo e penso andrà meglio domani. Ormai mi lecco le ferite a stento come fanno i cani. Ormai mi lecco le ferite a stento come fanno i cani. Perché vorrei avere le ali solo per andare via, lasciare a terra il mondo che conosco e la malinconia. Prendere tutto sto dolore addosso, ne farei poesia. Se l'universo parla un'altra lingua non è colpa mia. Perché vorrei avere le ali solo per andare via, lasciare a terra il mondo che conosco e questa nostalgia. Prenderei tutto sto dolore addosso, ne farei poesia. Se l'universo parla un'altra lingua l'universo parla un'altra lingua, non è colpa mia, non è colpa mia. Non è colpa mia, non è colpa mia. Metto il dolore addosso e ne farei poesie. Se l'universo parla un'altra lingua, non è colpa mia.
Che ti imbarazza maggiormente, Maurizio, posto che ci sia qualcosa?
Let's see if I can not
Rapporto
laugh
con
at
le
it.
donne. No, guarda, da un punto...
Salute Maurizio.
Salute!
Grazie.